This is how to apply a call center agent. Tell me about yourself. I am motivated individual with strong communication skills and a passion for helping others. I have experience in customer service and thrive in fast-paced environments. My goal is to provide excellent service and resolve issues efficiently. Number two, how do you handle difficult customers? I stay calm, listen actively to their concern, and empathize with their situations. When I focus, finding a solution or escalating the issues if needed, ensuring the customer feels heard and valued. Number three, why do you want to work in call centers? I enjoy interacting with people and solving problems. A call center offers the opportunity to use my communication skill to assist customers and contribute the company's success. How do you manage stress at work? I prioritize tasks, take short break to recharge and focus on maintaining a positive attitude. Staying organized and seeking support when needed helps me handle stress effectively. What is your strength? I am honest and self-motivated person. Also, I am quick learner and great team players. What is your weaknesses? I am very straightforward and I trust people very quickly. I concentrate on one thing at a time. How do you see yourselves 5 years from now? I would like to see myself as a successful employee in these organizations. Why should we hire you? I am sincere with my work and I would never let you down. Anyway, if you hire me, it will be great platform to showcase my skills. Why do you want to leave your current job? Guys, subscribe ang aking YouTube channel. Call center and your questions. Tell me about yourself. I am diligent, supportive, and fast-working call center agent with a call center skills to meet the rules, demands. I pride myself in answering calls quickly using clear communication and being professional. When dealing with customer, I have excellent attention to details, skills, and can be relied upon to meet my call handling targets. Why do you want to work in a call centers? I want to work a call center because of the fast-paced environment and flexible working hours. Thanks to watching my YouTube channel guys and subscribe. Goodbye.